Did you know most Excel users have hidden tools at their fingertips? Let's bring them to light. Right-click the sheet tab you want to hide, select Hide. To unhide hidden sheets, right-click the Worksheet tab, click Unhide. Select Sheets in the Unhide dialog that appears, and then select OK. Sometimes you may want to prevent users unhiding sheets. Here's how to do it. Let's start by making the Developer tab visible. Click on File, then Options. Go to Customize ribbon and check the box next to Developer. Hit OK. Boom, you've got the Developer tab. Next, let's hide some sheets. Click on the Developer tab and select Visual Basic. In the Project Explorer, find the sheet you want to hide. You'll see a setting called Visible. Change it from -1, Excel sheet visible, to 2, Excel sheet very hidden. Double-click on Sheet 2, the one that is not hidden. Type subspace hiding sheets and press Enter. Now turn on Protection. Go to Tools, VBA Project Properties, select Protection tab, tick Lock Project for viewing, and type the password. Close VBA Editor down. Now you need to save the file as Macro-Enabled Workbook. Click Save As, select Macro-Enabled Workbook, and select Save. And there you go. Your sheet is super hidden, but still there when you need it. Easy, right? Happy excelling.